Hello my friends. I'm doing a quick video with ready mixed paints from Artist Loft just because I'm going to be out of town for 10 days and I don't want you to think I disappeared off the face of the earth. I really should be on the road right now, but I wanted to get this at least recorded and I'll upload it while I'm away. But no painting for me for 10 days is going to be hard, but that's life. So, how should I do this? I think I'm going to do, instead of my usual ring pour, I'm going to do 2 cups at a time and kind of jiggle them. See how that works. Oh, I went a little heavy on the orange. I hope that won't take over. Okay, ready to mess it up. I messed up the center of both of those as I lifted it. Usually, you know, save it with one hand, but I don't have a third hand, so I'm wondering if I should, I made a 3rd cup. I'm thinking I might go over that mess there and see what happens. Why not? This time I'll catch it. Good, good. I might like it. Make this one a little larger so we don't have too much symmetry. Get some of that blue in there. Okay. Okay, folks. Let's see what happens. I like the looks of this one a little better than that one, so we'll sacrifice a bit of that. Okay, that's pretty. That's interesting. There's that word again. It's so fun how it changes in an instant before your eyes. I don't want that orange line running right down the middle. So I've got to do stuff to make it turn, turn, turn. Wow, that's much brighter there. What if I have, should I do it again? This is, I don't care for this. Let's see, if I add it there, bring it down. I'm going to try it. Why not? Because I'm leaving. I'd have to throw this away. Might as well. Maybe I shouldn't. Oh, messed it up again. Let's get a skewer and fix that a bit. Let's see if I can just kind of swirl it into a more pleasing center. That's better. Almost tempted to just leave it like that, but no, I'm not able to. Yep, hear my husband. Well, maybe I just need to bring the whole thing down this way. Oh, that's better. I like that better. Okay, I think I'll leave it there. It's not my best work, but I just had to touch base with you and let you know I haven't fallen off the earth. I hope you're all having lots of wonderful successes painting, and you come up with new techniques and try new paints and just have a blast. And I'll see you when I return. Bye for now.